To do product listing on Shopify, follow these steps. Log into Shopify admin. Visit Shopify and log into your account. Go to Product section. From the Shopify dashboard, click Products in the left-hand menu. Select Add Product to create a new listing. Enter product details. Title. Provide a clear and concise name for the product. Description. Add a detailed description highlighting features, benefits, and uses. Images. Upload high-quality images. Include multiple angles for better customer experience. Set pricing. Price. Enter the selling price of the product. Compare at price. Show discounts by entering the original price. Cost per item. Add your cost to track profits. Manage inventory. Add the SKU, set stock quantity, and enable inventory tracking if applicable. Set product type and vendor. Specify the product type, vendor, and collections for organization. Add variants. Create variants for size, color, or other attributes. Save and publish. Click Save to save the product. Set the visibility to active to publish the listing.